Okay guys, I'm prepping the Mustang engine, so I'm gonna drop it in a second. Here we're ready to go in. So I'm gonna put the other valve cover on, and I'm gonna mount my chain to hook up to the motor hoist, and then we coming out here. Okay guys, we're back in the garage. We're ready to get things installed, get the engine running, guys. The Flowmaster, the other Flowmaster came. They sent me a replacement one. The new fuel line is in, perfectly installed. The next thing I'll be doing is getting this thing ready to run, guys. And what else I want to show you guys? I'll be doing the shocks. I'll have a video for that uploaded in a second. The front cross drill rotors I got, brakes, calipers, and like I said, it don't need all this stuff, guys. This car rides amazing down the road with 51,000 miles. Just trying to replace some of the older parts that's been on here because the car's been sitting up. So, and then we'll start fitting on the bumpers, and just want to do much as I can before they take it to the paint shop, guys. It'll be there for a couple months possibly, but I want to get it ready for them. I want to have it running so it can kind of drive up the ramp when we tow it there and be ready to go. I'll start on the interior when it comes from the paint shop. Like I said, I'm just blessed, super lucky to get the dashboard is immaculate. The door panels are immaculate. The roof, the ceiling, everything is immaculate in this car. There's some blemishes on the right there. I can fix that. Other than that, this interior, even the carpet, it just was faded. So I want to go with new carpet. Other than that, the panels, all the panels are excellent. Like, they're excellent. Not a scratch, scrape, mark, or anything. And yeah, just I'll be starting this when it comes from paint. I'll install the interior, the new carpet and stuff. But let me see if some more stuff came that I'm doing. Oh no, guys. But yeah, stay tuned for all the videos, guys. The next video, I'll be doing also a header install on this thing. I'll show in detail how to install the headers on this that I got. I'll show in detail how I'm installing all the parts, pretty much. Some of the other components, like the transmission, I won't show that install. I'll just put it up. And maybe the rear bumper. I don't know. Maybe. Yeah. So excited about the engine's in now, guys. I'll have it running within the next week or so, and just trying to get it ready to go in the paint shop so I can start on the second project that I got going on right now, guys. We're starting directly on the next project when this goes in the paint. And just kind of going back to back to back to back. So when I'm done with that, they'll take that one in for paint too, and I'll have a third one ready to go. So I'm excited about this, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Whole lot of awesome videos coming, whole lot of awesome content coming, and a bunch of how-tos with all of the things I'm doing. I got a how-to on the fuel line as well. I just finished it up. I'm editing it right now. Took the complete fuel line down and installed the new one. So kind of get a look under here and see how it's ran. I need to get some light under here. So subscribe to the channel, guys. Stay tuned for a lot of amazing content coming, guys. Terrence and I'm out.